Does Redmi Note 15 support 120 Hz refresh rate? Let's find out. Hi guys, welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. I'm Dan, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the refresh rate for a smooth screen experience on Redmi Note 15. So this is the phone, and to do it you need to go on your phone to settings, and here just swipe and tap on display and brightness. Swipe again, and here we have refresh rate. Now it's set on default, and this option adjusts the refresh rate dynamically based on scenarios to balance performance with power consumption. Now, if you want to change it and set on custom, tap here. Now it's set on 60 Hz, but if you tap here again, you can set to 120 Hz and you will have a smooth experience on your screen. So it is very easy. I hope this video to be useful for you. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.